Hello, everyone. Sean Zalmanoff here with a mortgage rate update for you this week. So, hey, this is going, we're not going to talk a lot about rates. Rates are still great. I am concerned that rates will go up in the next few months. We'll talk about inflation, though, and what's really driving that in another video, because I want to talk to you today about home prices. I want to talk to you about the demand in real estate. So one of the number one questions that we get asked time and time again is, when's the housing market going to crash? Homes are so hot. This is just like it was in 2006, 2007, 2008. And in some instances, you're 100% correct. The housing market is on fire. And without a trained eye to know exactly what the housing market was doing in 2006, 2007, and 2008, and the amount of supply on the market, you can feel that it's way, but supply right now is way down. But I want to show you something substantially more different than that. So here, I'm going to share my screen with you. And let's look at a couple charts that I have. So number one thing that I want to show you is what drives housing formation. What drives, more importantly, single family housing. And so this chart shows 30 to 39-year-olds living in a single family home. 38% of people living single live in a single family home. 80% of 30 to 39-year-olds married with one child live in a single family home, and 82% of people 30 to 39 years old with two or more children live in a single family home. And so this is really important, and hindsight's always 2020, but I want to show you the historical birth rates. And a key stat that you need to know: the average age of a first-time home buyer right now is 33 years old, which kind of starts to make sense as you see what really drives housing formation here. So this is what you're going to see: how many 33-year-olds are entering the market today and continuing moving forward. So this is going to show you birth rates. So unless a whole bunch of 33-year-olds, something tragic happens to them, what I'm showing you on this graph here is a foregone conclusion. So back here, when you're looking at 2006, so you're really looking back in time at 1973. And you can see that there are a significant drop off in birth rates. We're not going to talk about it here, but there was a big event that happened in 1973, Supreme Court decision that led to that. And afterwards, you can see that birth rates over the next several years flatlined after this decision and what happened. But then there's quite an uptick that happens in people being born. And so as you look back here into time, you can see now I'm actually off 1 year. That arrow should be moved one to the right for 2021. But we have 4 more years of more 33-year-olds entering the housing market, of more people turning 33. And you can see by the graph over here on this side, this is, although it looks like minor adjustments in the graph, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, is we're talking about millions of people that are being that will be turning 33. And so what does this mean to you when there's more people tomorrow that are turning 33 than we have today? First of all, we have very low inventory. When you look back in 2006 and 2007, we were building way too many houses at that time. Not the case right now. More people turning 33 who are buying homes. So more demand increases. Now, hopefully the appreciation that we see in price mutes itself some, but the chances of anything negative happening uh, with a huge pullback in real estate are really very slim when you look at these stats. So just wanted to share that with you as you're out buying a house, looking at what you need for the future. And of course, if you need anything, if you need to buy a home, if you need to refinance your home, reach out to my team. We would love to help you. Have an awesome weekend. Peace, y'all.